Own a club share at Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club, Nasugbu, Batangas, Philippines for only 720,000 if you pay in cash. Own a club share in Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club, a high-end eco-resort community located in Nasugbu, Ternate Road, Batangas, Philippines. It's a proprietary membership that is lifetime and transferable. Membership extends to the immediate family of the principal member, spouse and children 30 years and below, or to the parents of a single principal buyer. As a member, you will have limitless access to the most extensive leisure facilities at Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club. Member-only privileges, unrestricted access to the beach, club, and country club facilities, preferential rates at Pico Sands Hotel and other Hamilo Coast services and facilities, exclusive invitation to regular club events and expeditions. As a member, you will have the privilege to use the following facilities and amenities: pools, lounges, bars, function rooms, coffee shops, locker and shower rooms, basketball and badminton courts. Privilege to do the following activities in Pico de Loro: jet ski, snorkeling, birdwatch, tours, windsurfing, beach, volleyball, fish feeding, water taxi, cove hopping, banana boat, dragon boat, camping, kayaking, pony ride, trekking. The price is 900,000, but if you pay in cash, you will get a discount of 20% or just pay 720,000 pesos.